Sam here, and we're about to open my Sephora Play for May, even though it's already June, and my cat has climbed up here. Bear. This is Bear. This is Bear. Bear needs to stay off my camera. So even though it is already June, I still want to unbox this with you guys. Let's see what the May box for Sephora Play look like. So inside we have our card, and as many of you probably already know, this month you can use your 50 points in-store or online. The only problem is with online, you know, you can't use usually any more than one coupon at a time, and online I feel like they usually have better coupons than 50 extra bonus points. That's just my thoughts. So the bag is definitely a summer theme. It's like a little jean material with like a power cord. Makes me think of like a rock climber shoelace kind of thing. And there we go. Alright, so we have some professionals. I think everyone in the world has tried this. This is the most given away free sample at Ulta. So I like this product. I've bought it before. I have plenty of free samples and I will probably use it. Alright, so it looks like our perfume came in a little envelope this month. Kind of like that they did that because I've had my perfume spill out over all my stuff before. Cute little postcard is included with it. And this perfume is Clementine, California. Ooh, I wonder if it's going to smell citrusy. Should. Clementine. And it does. It smells like a beautiful orange and like orange blossom. So it's got a fruity flower smell to it, but I really do like this. So yay! It's a great summer scent. So the next product I received is a mascara from Glamslam, and this is an intensely volumizing mascara. So that's awesome. Never going to complain about a sample mascara. I feel like a lot of times the sample mascaras work better than the full-size mascaras. Am I the only one that thinks that? I can't be the only one that thinks that. Ooh, next product is from Bare Minerals, and this is a mineral veil. And it's like a soft pink color, so you shouldn't get too much flashback on this. So that is really exciting to me. Alright, so the next product we have is a 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in hair protector. I don't use products like this very often, but this is a pretty good size sample. I mean, it's almost a fluid ounce. It's 0.8. And it does look like it's filled all the way. So that I'm pretty impressed with. It's probably not a super expensive product, but maybe it is. It's caviar cream. I've never had caviar, but I understand caviar can be expensive, so Alright, so I had to look this up real quick, and on Ulta, this product retails for $42 and it's 5 fluid ounces. So this is a pretty good sample. I mean, this box is only $10 and this sample's worth about $10. So yay for Sephora. Sephora's let me down a few times recently. So far this box has been pretty good. So the last item in my bag is this mask from Sephora, and it is a mud mask for purifying and mattifying the face. It has zinc and copper in it, so I'm wondering if it's going to be metallic looking when you put it on. I've done a metallic mask before and I thought it was so cool. I really, really enjoyed that. So overall, I think for $10, we got a good value this month. Like I said, this is worth $10. This box of mascara is probably worth, I don't know, at least $5 to $8. I think these little samples probably maybe like $2, $3. I'm not sure how much these cost, but either way, we got more than $10 worth. Well, I'd love to hear if you guys got something different in your box than I received in my box this month, and leave a comment below. Tell me which product you think out of my box was the best product in my box this month. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do that. And until next time, bye y'all!